super excited because I've been holding on to these for a little while now. Hey you guys, welcome back. It's your girl BerryFae. I'm wearing my BerryFae Beauty silk satin robe that I love to put on, especially when I'm lounging around the house doing my makeup, doing my hair. You can get one of these robes down below at BerryFaeBeauty.com. I'm wearing red in a size large. I have red, black, and light pink. More colors coming soon as the year progresses. Happy New Year to you guys. Let's get started on this collective fragrance haul. These are all first purchases. I've never had these before, so I'm super excited to try these out. All right, so the first perfume I want to test out and share is Shagarf Oud from Swiss Arabian. So these are all Arabian fragrances. You can get them on the Swiss Arabian website and other Arabian websites, but these I got specifically from Amazon. I'm not sure about the price differences. I'll try to match the prices to see if you should buy it directly from the Arabian website or Amazon. But so again, I got all mine from Amazon, so you can expect them to come pretty quickly. Some of them did come on Prime, some of them did not, but I didn't have to pay for shipping. So just keep in mind that it may take at least maybe a week for them to come. Everything is not going to be on 2-day shipping. So just FYI for the Amazon fragrances. However, someone did tell me if you order on the Swiss Arabian website, they will give you samples of different fragrances to try out as well. So maybe it might be worth it to buy it. We'll see. You should check it out. I'm going to leave both links to the Amazon and the Swiss Arabian website as well. So anywho, the first fragrance we have is Shagarf Oud from Swiss Arabian. It's coming in a nice golden bottle. So here is the fragrance. It is all gold. And then on the back, it has this little detail right here. I think it's super cute. So here are the notes for the fragrance. I'm going to put all the notes on the screen. And I'm going to give kind of like my own impression of, you know, how I think it smells. So let's test this one out. Okay, instantly I can tell it's not necessarily an American fragrance, which is a good thing. Or not, it's not a bad thing, I should say. It's not a bad thing, but I can definitely smell a different tone of the fragrance in general. It's not like, I can smell like a culture in here, but it's not bad. I definitely smell the oud. I don't know if I would wear this every day, but this is definitely when you're stepping out type of a fragrance, but I do like it. It's definitely different. Nothing like I don't have anything like this right now, so I definitely would recommend this one, especially if you're trying to expand your fragrance style. If you don't want to just wear all sweet scents, then I would say I would recommend this for sure. Yeah, I like it. I like it. And it definitely is changing, because you know perfume comes in notes. Top note, middle note, bottom note, and those are like the different stages of a perfume. Top note is what you first initially smell. Middle is like what you start to smell like as time goes on, and then the bottom note is what you smell at the end, like the end of the day. But yeah, I definitely would recommend this one. I think it's a good perfume to have, definitely when you're ready to expand. I think you should get this. Next we have, I have already opened this and used this a few times, but I never shared it with you guys. Next we have Casa Blanca. It comes in this pretty blue box. It's very slim and, you know, just really, really cute. Y'all, I've already used this. I can't even lie to y'all. I actually am in love with this fragrance. I think this would be considered almost like a signature fragrance for most people. It has like the best notes in it, and I think it just smells really, really good. This is what it looks like. It's in a clear bottle. So this is Casa Blanca from Swiss Arabian, the same brand as the first one. Y'all, I love this. I don't know, this one to me just smells like a woman who is so put together. That's what this one smells like. It smells like a boss, but it's not like that strong, you know. It just smells like a woman who just walks in a room and is confident. It smells like a woman who knows what she wants in life. I don't know, it's just something about this particular one. I don't know, it always gives me the vibe of somebody who just is like the boss. Not like, you're not an intern, you're a boss. And if you are an intern but you wear this, you're gonna feel like a boss. You know, like, I don't know, it just smells so bossy, like in a good way, like someone who's taking care of herself, her business. I don't know, I really like this. Here are the notes, here are the prices, all the things. Also, again, you can find this on Amazon. I like the bottle, it's very clean. I like that you can see through the bottle, so you can see exactly how much you have left. I don't have a lot of clear bottles. Like, I have, you know, this Burberry one, you can see through it, but not all of my bottles are like that. For instance, I have a different Burberry, you can't see at all how much is in here. So bottles that are like not clear, I try not to use them as much because I don't know how much I'm like using up. Like this, very cute bottle, but I cannot tell how much is in here. So I try to be a little bit, you know, I try to use them a little bit less. All right, so the next fragrance are ones that I have not opened at all, and I have been slacking on purchasing these. So I have been slacking on purchasing these for too long. These are both Yara fragrances by Lattafa, another Arabian brand. So those two are from Swiss Arabian. These two are from Lattafa, also can get on Amazon. And yeah, I have the orange one and the pink one. I hear so many great things about the pink one. I definitely thought that it was going to be a little bit longer, just from what I see on people's reviews and videos, but that's okay. That's definitely okay. I just assumed that it was going to be like more of a this height type of thing. Hold on, y'all, I need some water. But yeah, anywho, I really did think it was going to be just a little bit more height to it, but that's definitely okay. Let's go ahead and open the pink one first. Again, I've been monitoring these fragrances for a long time, but I can't lie to you guys, I've been a little bit scared. I don't know why. It's just like, I think like a mental thing, but I don't know. Anyways. Okay, so it comes in a box like this. There's little spacers to make sure that it stays put. Okay. All right, it's heavy. It's got some weight to it. I thought it was going to be like a little plasticky type of thing just because the way it looks. So here is the bottle. Let me give you guys a good look. It's very light pink. It's cute though. I do like it, and this will fit perfectly on my shelf. And it's not as lightweight as I thought it was going to be. So that's a good thing. You just pull the top off like this. Okay. I should have been got this. All right, because I could already tell just from smelling in the cap that I'm gonna love this. All right, let's spray. I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna do 2 sprays. It smells pretty. Here are the notes, the price, all the things. This smells like someone who just got done with a bubble bath. Their nails are done. Like, it just smells like a pretty clean girl. Oh, I love this. Yeah, I snapped. I should have been got this. This smells so good, and it's not even on my skin, so I can only imagine what it smells like on my skin, because this is cardboard. It's not my skin. Oh, I love this. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for sure. All right, this one I'm gonna spray on me. I love this bottle. I wish it was taller, but I do love the bottle. I love that it's heavy. I really had a bad like mental game I was playing with myself, thinking it looked a little cheap, but you know, because most perfumes are in glass. This is not glass, it's plastic. So I definitely played myself by thinking that it wasn't going to be as good as it is. But I actually really do enjoy this. And it smells really good, really pretty, really clean. The notes, I like this. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. All right, we're going to move on to the orange one from Lattafa. So this one is actually called, actually don't know. So it doesn't have like an actual name on it. All right, well, it doesn't have a name on it, but I'm sure that it has a name. I just probably either can't read it because, again, these are in another language, but I'm gonna put the name on the screen as I'm editing. Okay, I can already smell it coming out of the box, which is a little different, but same kind of box. Hold on, it's a little too bright. Let me turn this light off. Looks the same on the inside. We love that. Feels the same. This one is orange and gold. The other one was pink and silver. Definitely very, very cute bottles. I actually really love the bottles because they definitely are just different from what I already have. So I like that. Oh, that's why I smell it. It's a little bit leaking. But let's go ahead and spray. Okay, this is the fruity one. The other one is fresh. This one is fruity. They're two different fragrances, but they definitely are in the same family. Kind of like the high heel collection from Carolina Herrera. They all kind of smell the same, but they also have a different note in all of them that makes them different. So this gives me the same vibe. I get the same fresh, airy, girly feeling from both of the fragrances. Both of the fragrances, however, they definitely are different. This one gives me fruity pineapple. The other one was giving me not a floral, but fresh, cream, sugary. This one gives fruit, the other one gives like sugar. So I actually really like this, but I think I like the pink one just a tad bit better. If I had to choose, I'm gonna definitely say get the pink one. Hold on, actually, let me try it again. Because now I confuse myself. So this is what they look like. Yeah, if I had to choose, the pink one is more girly for me, but this one is fruity and sweet as well. But I definitely like them, both of them, 10 out of 10. All right, so only thing is this bottle, I mean, initially when I first opened it, I could smell it as if like I could smell the liquid. And then I opened the top and it was already wet. So I want to be honest with y'all. So here's what the top of the pink one looks like. It's nothing on it. It's no liquid or anything. It's just clean. And then here's the orange one. So it's almost like it leaked a little bit, which I don't know if it's like, you can see all the liquid on it, right? You see that? It's just wet. Like all of that is liquid. And then also on the side here, it's like sticky. It's almost like the package itself is malfunctioned a little bit, because for perfume to be on this part, I don't understand how it would get out if it's in there and then the top is here. But I'm just gonna be honest with y'all, just to let y'all be, you know, judges of your own purchases and experiences. But all that is perfume, liquid. And then right here, the bottle itself, I don't know if it's cracked, but there's like a little sticky thing. So I'm just letting you guys know, just so I could put that out there, be honest, you know, this is an honest review. So yeah, anyways, again, if I had to pick between the both of them, I would get both of them, but this one sticks out to me just a little bit more. All right, and last but not least, for my Arabian perfumes, I have Choco Musk. I have Choco Musk. So you guys, I ended up ordering 2 of them by accident. So I have 2 Choco Musk. Obviously I only wanted 1, but I don't know, let's see how I like it to see if I'm gonna keep the both of them, because I might give this one away to one of you guys. So let's see if I should keep it, or because I'm definitely not gonna return it. This one was literally so inexpensive. I believe it was like $8.53, but I'll leave the price here. So it's a smaller bottle for sure. This is what the bottle looks like. It's flat on the back and curved in the front. Definitely different. The notes are obviously chocolate based. And it smells like chocolate. Yeah, I definitely like it. If you're going for a fruity night, I would actually pair these 2 together, Choco Musk and the Lattaaf of the pink one. But it's definitely different. Let me spray it on me so I can really smell it. I don't know if I would grab this a lot, but I definitely like it. It's just very dessert-like. It's a gourmand. Gourmand are fragrance scents that smells like foods. Gourmand, like gourmet food, get it? Yeah. So this is a gourmand scent for real, for sure. I like it though. I would rate this an 8 out of 10. It's not like my, oh my gosh, I have to wear it. But again, if I was going for like a very playful, fruity type of vibe, like if I'm going to like a brunch, all girls brunch, I would want to smell fruity. But as it dries, it definitely starts to change. I smell a lot of vanilla, and I smell like a, I don't know what that smell is, but I got to do better on my descriptions. But I definitely like to read about my fragrances, but I don't always like tell that when I'm reviewing them. But this is my real, actually this might be my first real review, because I do a lot of unboxings of perfumes, but I don't actually talk about them. So I'm definitely going to be giving this one away for sure. I'm going to be doing the giveaway on my Instagram. It's more easier to manage. So if you stay to the end of this video, thank you so much. Make sure you go check out my Instagram at BerryFae19, and I will be giving this one away. All the rules will be down below as well as on my Instagram. So go follow my Instagram, because I'm going to be giving away one of these Choco Musk perfumes. Alright you guys, so I'm going to actually break this video up into part 1 and part 2. So part 1, I'm going to just keep it as all the Arabian fragrances, Arabian scents, because I have 4 other fragrances that are from Victoria's Secret. So that will be the next video you see. So definitely make sure you stick around and check out the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, all the giveaway rules will be in the description box for one of these fragrances. Okay, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.